Thanks for watching this brief demo of SeeUnity's Enterprise Integration for SharePoint product, or EIS for short. EIS enables you to combine your ECM system with a SharePoint interface for a fully integrated, best of both worlds user experience. EIS provides a deep level of integration with many features. In this demo, I'll show how SeeUnity's thumbnail and preview features can make it easier and faster to verify content. Right now, we're using SharePoint to access an external eDocs library. A key point to understand about this demo is that SeeUnity is connecting natively to repositories and rendering the contents in real time in SharePoint. This allows SharePoint to embed a range of native ECM features. This demo, however, will focus on some exclusive features that SeeUnity is introducing via integration: document thumbnails and document previews. Right here in the exploratory web part, we have a list of external content repositories that we're connecting to, including a Documentum system, an OpenText content server instance, a file share, and 2 instances of OpenText eDocs. Let's open the OpenText legal library. As you can see, as we drilled in through the Explorer tree, we're going to be loading the contents of those selected objects into the Workspace web part on the right-hand side. Now, this Workspace web part is showing the contents of the End User License Agreement folder, but this could just as easily be a list of search results or recently edited documents. The thumbnails and previews you're about to see are available throughout our integrated SharePoint experience. And here's why they matter. Imagine you're sorting search results that number in the hundreds of thousands. Or maybe you're browsing for a folder through a folder of scanned documents, with each one of those documents being hundreds of pages long and dozens of megabytes in size. Maybe you're working remotely in another office in a different state or on the other side of the globe. In each of these scenarios, simply verifying and going through content that you have the correct document can become a time-consuming and frustrating process that slows down your productivity. To help combat this, we're offering thumbnails and previews. Now, thumbnails are the fastest way to visually verify documents. Thumbnail size and placement can be configured by the administrator. Thumbnails can be a big help if documents have obvious first page distinctions. But what if the document thumbnails are also similar? That's where document previews come in. So SeeUnity's document preview process renders a snippet of the document in real time into XPS or PDF format. By default, we're going to render the first 3 pages of the document, which a user can page through. But a system administrator can configure this to render as few as the very first page or as many pages as needed. A user can go ahead and actually perform a text search on any content that's rendered. We have zoom features, and there are also some available controls here down at the bottom. These can also be configured by a system administrator, so if you wanted to add more native ECM controls, that can be placed here as well. What's important is that you aren't downloading the entire document, just a bite-sized preview that should give you enough to verify the document, but small enough that you can download it quickly without it becoming an intrusion into your work process. So that's SeeUnity's rendering of documents into thumbnails or previews with our enterprise integration for SharePoint product. These renderings can make it much easier and faster to verify and download documents. Visit our website, SeeUnity.com, or look for our YouTube channel to see additional demos for enterprise integration for SharePoint, including features like advanced search tools, navigating external content repositories, and seeing how SeeUnity can embed native ECM commands and controls directly into SharePoint context menus. Thanks for watching this brief demonstration of previewing ECM documents from within SharePoint using enterprise integration for SharePoint.